Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we start our lecture for signal and system. I think most of the students have joined the meeting. The name of the syllabus subject is EE220 EE220 signal and systems. Lecture schedule you can see from timetable, and the prerequisite for this course is differential equations and linear algebra. So differential equations are prerequisite for this course. If you haven't passed differential equation, then it will be difficult for you to study this course. My name is Dr. Farooq Arslan and this is my email address. If you have any question, any comment, if you want any lecture to be repeated, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि कोई क्वेश्चन रिपीट कोई लेक्चर रिपीट करना या कोई टॉपिक जो है अगर आपको उसकी समझ नहीं है यू कैन ईमेल मी or you can send request on the WhatsApp group, the group we have made for the discussion of the subject. So always you can always use that group to discuss something related to subject. As such, I don't have any office or any room in the EE department. So you can just go there and ask for me if I am in the department, or it is better to first WhatsApp me to see whether I am in the EE department or not, because I am also teaching BME department, biomedical engineering. The same subject I am teaching to biomedical engineering, signal and system. They also have the same course for this semester, and that the same course I am teaching to them as well, right? So usually I will sit there in the BME department, not in EE department, right? So if you want to meet me, it's better to WhatsApp me first. I will give you the time, and then you can come to BME department faculty room, right? So you can come there and you can meet me over there. But the best solution for this course to interact with me is through email and through WhatsApp group that we have made for the interaction or questions related to the subject. There is no laboratory for this course, or this is only lectures only course, and we have a teaching assistant. Just we have I have I have managed to engage a teaching assistant. His name is Khalid Waheed, and Khalid Waheed is final year student. He very kindly agrees to solve problems for you in the class. So he will use problem solving technique in the class or online lectures, right? So timing we will adjust the timing afterwards. First I get a recommendation from him whether he will agree or not. I think he agrees that he will he will solve problems for you using Simon Hayek's book or Alan's Oppenheim's book. So objective of this course is twofold. Number one is to provide the students with a solid mathematical foundation in complex variables and in common engineering transforms. So all transforms, you as you know, are complex. It deals with complex variables, right? If you want if you need to ask a question, you can interrupt me anytime, right? But the question should be related to the subject only. And any foreigner in the class? Is there any foreigner in the class?
No, sir.
So if there is no foreigner in the class, we shall continue in Urdu sometimes as well, because it is better to
No,
communicate
sir.
in Urdu as well. So the signal itself is a complex quantity. It is represented mathematically as a complex quantity, and the operation we perform on signals are called systems. So we pass signals through systems. In real world example, we can take example of communication system. In communication system, there is a transmitter. We will see in the lecture slides as well. So the purpose of teaching you this course is to have a mathematical foundation in complex variables. So knowledge of complex variables is very important. You should have complex variables, brush up its knowledge as well. And common engineering transforms. You know, the common engineering transforms are the Laplace transform, the Z transform, the Fourier series, the Fourier transform, and so on and so forth. There is very famous transform, but we will not study in this lecture. It is called wavelet transform. So all transforms are complex, related to complex variables. All transforms are related to complex variables. And the other purpose of this introductory course is to prepare the students for core courses in communication, communication systems, analog and digital communication, control systems, and signal processing, digital signal processing, right? So there are two purposes of this course. First is to get you familiarized with the engineering transforms, and engineering transform means we deal with complex variables, right? And to prepare you for the next more advanced courses in communication, which are communication systems, control systems, and digital signal processing, right? So there are three CLOs for this course. Most probably we will use MATLAB as a software. You can take MATLAB from your seniors. Your seniors have must have MATLAB in CDs or in their USBs. You can take from them the MATLAB. Any version would do. Or MATLAB 2016 is the, I think, latest version available in Pakistan. So you can purchase either MATLAB from Hafiz Center, or you can take MATLAB from your seniors, right? So we will give,
MATLAB 2020 is the latest version.
but I don't think so. It will be available in Hafiz Center. 2022 is the latest version, but the problem is the availability. The availability.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Okay, now it is better.
सर आ रही है आवाज.
Okay, the meeting will end in 10 minutes because there is 40 minutes limit on the Zoom meeting in a free version. So again, join the meeting as well. Okay. व्हेन मीटिंग एंड, जब मीटिंग एंड होगी आपने 40 मिनट के बाद मीटिंग एंड हो जाती है, इसलिए मैं कह रहा था कि क्लास को 10 बजे स्टार्ट करेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम से, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो okay. So this is the lecture plan for synchronous system. For first 2.5 weeks, we will cover first chapter in very detail. If you don't understand first chapter topics, then it will be very difficult for you to study the second chapter, which is LTI system. So you must know what is signal and what is system. Now students are coming very late. This is not good thing. So next time I think the lecture will be starting from 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. I think that is the lecture schedule.
कंटिन्यूस हो जाएगा क्योंकि हमारे चलो
जी क्या यूईटी है मैम
ऐसा करना है, आपने टाइम पे आना है। 9 बजे अगर हम मीटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे तो आपने टाइम पे आना है। So first chapter is very important in order to understand subsequent chapters. If you don't understand the first chapter, then it will be very difficult for you to understand the second chapter and the third chapter. This is second chapter. Second chapter is related to LTI systems. LTI systems are called linear time invariant systems. We will see what is meant by linear system and what is meant by time invariant system. So why we study LTI system? It is because the it is because it is because the LTI systems are mostly found physical systems. In communication systems, we have linear system and time invariant system. लीनियर सिस्टम का मतलब ये होता है कि अगर आप, इसकी दो प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं, एडिटिविटी और होमोजेनिटी। ये भी चलें, आपको मैं नहीं बताता, अब नेक्स्ट टाइम जो है वो आपको जब पढ़ाएंगे तो तब आपको बता देंगे, अभी आपको समझ नहीं आएगी। देन फोरियर सीरीज, यू माइट हैव स्टडीड फोरियर सीरीज in mathematics as well, right?
जी सर।
Yes.
थोड़ी
So
सी ज्यादा नहीं की थी।
okay, so we will study Fourier series from signal system point of view in very detail in this course. Then this is the midterm syllabus. The first 3 chapters are included in the midterm. Then for continuous time Fourier transform and discrete time Fourier transform, and we might study Z transform first and then continuous time Fourier transform, because Z transform is the counterpart of Laplace transform. Laplace transform is for analog signal and Z transform is for digital signal. So we will see what is meant by analog signal and what is meant by digital signal. And then there is an optional topic of discrete Fourier transform. This is optional topic. If time permits, then we will study this topic, otherwise not. So any question on this course outline, books, CLOs, or any ritualities? कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लें। मीटिंग टाइम एंड होने में सिर्फ 1 मिनट रह गया है। हाँ जी, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है, देन वी विल स्टार्ट। Okay, so mathematically, a signal is a function of one or more variables that convey some information about some physical phenomena. That
सर
means,
1 मिनट से कम रह गया है, न्यू मीटिंग में इकट्ठे ना शुरू करें ये चैप्टर।
चलें ठीक है, okay, fine.